Nowadays, web designers and front-end developers have to build really complex page layouts. Structuring web pages by designing layouts and positioning content is very important when it comes to web design and web development. When the elements are positioned correctly in a web page, the web page becomes more structured and the content becomes easily visible and digestible. Web designers and developers take advantage of different CSS layout techniques to structure web pages as they need. CSS layout techniques allow us to define the placement of elements on a web page, that is, to control where they are positioned with respect to their default position as per normal flow, the other elements around them, their parent container, or the main viewport or window. Suppose you want to create your own multi-column website, but if you do not know where to start from or how to proceed, this course is for you. This course, CSS Layout Techniques, teaches you how to work with the common layout and positioning methods used in web design. In this course, you will learn different techniques to position elements on a web page in nearly any imaginable way. Throughout the course, you will learn how to build layouts using display methods, floats, positioning techniques, and even Flexbox, which is the latest CSS layout model. At the end of the course, you will apply your positioning skills by working on real-world projects. You will be able to decide which technique to use based on the content and goals of your web page, because some techniques are better than others in some context. In this course, you start from the basics of CSS positioning techniques and gradually move to advanced concepts in CSS positioning. You will understand how elements are displayed by default, how block level elements are different from inline elements in CSS, how to change the way an element is displayed using display property, how CSS box model works, how to use CSS box model properties such as width, height, margin, padding and border, how to change the way CSS box model works using box sizing property, how to use the CSS position property for static, fixed, absolute and relative positioning, how to use left, top, right and bottom properties along with CSS position property, how to position elements using float and clear properties, how to design CSS Flexbox layout. In the Knowledge into Action, Apply Your Knowledge section, you will apply what you have learned in this course to build, layout and position elements from scratch. In the CSS Positioning with Real-World Projects Hands-on Practices section, you will do hands-on practices where you will practically implement CSS positioning techniques in some real-world projects. By the end of this course, you will be able to design layouts, customize web page layouts, change the normal flow of the document, use different CSS layout properties to change the size, position and layout of a page.